Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just gonna be doing a little wig install. So this is a synthetic wig. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it look like a HD lace. So I got this from the beauty supply store and I accidentally got the same kind. If you guys see my recent pictures on Instagram, I have the same wig, but this one is a 40-inch and it's real long, like, but it's the same color and everything. I just, I made a mistake there. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can get your synthetic looking wig to look like a HD lace, cause like it's given right now. Synthetic wigs are in, so this is what it looked like. It's long and whatever. So I just hope you guys enjoy the whole process to see how you can get this look. Thanks for watching. So this is what it come with, like a small part. It came with a what's it called, elastic bang in the top. It got a small little lace in the front where it give you, like the other one, it gives you more lace, and it's giving you like real baby hair where you don't have to struggle. The only problem I had with this wig was the baby hair from this one and the other one was kind of different, or they are two different type of braid. So this one is a different hair, the other one is a I forgot the name, but they're both in style right now. Everybody was like talking about this wig, but this the 40-inch was kind of different with the baby hair than the other one, but I still make it work. I still do what I had to do. So hope you guys still see what I did at it. So when it comes to the video, I'm not really going to be doing a lot of talking. It's like explain it all, but some people that don't know how to do wigs and stuff, but you gotta always make sure you start with a wig cap that goes with your hair color, or that kind of goes with your, not hair color, with your skin, where you don't have to do too much. Like you could do the white ball cap, but then sometimes it's kind of hard for you, for beginners, for you to get it to your color. So that's why, like, this cap I got on my head, I had it for like a long, I just since I wear wigs all the time, I don't have time to redo my braids. Like, so I had these three, I think, like, I had these braids for like a month in my head, or two, I don't know. They just been there. So I just wear this brown cap, and I'm still going to put a little concealer, which I got the concealer. Everything that I use for my hair, I got it from the beauty supply store, or there was stuff I already had. So make sure you always like use a concealer that goes with your skin, so the lace can look like it's scalp. You want scalp, baby. It's giving scalp. And with this synthetic wig, I don't know if somebody needs to know, you don't really have to do the whole ball method, the whole slit. Like, make sure your ball cap is all the way to your forehead, all down. You don't have to do that. Like, you just put a little concealer that kind of match the lace and your forehead, so it can go well together. But the whole, and I don't know, because I do my own hair, I don't do the whole ball cap. That's when I do client hair, because you need it to look good and professional. But me, I'm used to doing that. I don't be doing all that stuff. Like, I just get straight to the point. the other brand, they give you the a whole lace that's all the way to your ear. This one is kind of like, you know, a small one. It did the job, like, but you know, the other one I like it better because like I had like baby hair all to my ears and I was able to do sideburn, like, you know, I like that. But with this, it was just like, you know, it got from my the end of my ears and that was it. But it still looked good though, but like the other one was giving more, you know, whatever. So yeah. I mean, like I said again, guys, since I be doing my own hair, normally I don't use the whole ghost bond, like the hard glue, because then I'm going to take it. I'll probably leave my wig on for 2 weeks, but still, since I'm going to always, like, recheck, which fix it, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I don't think it's necessary to put the ghost bond. I just use my got to be spray or sprit spray to lay my lace down, because both of them still get the job done. So the whole gold bond is for customers, and then I don't be doing all that. Right now, all I'm doing is spray spray and flat iron in my hair, the top, so it can look like, you know, like it's a. So basically, sewing wigs, you want to like spray it down with flat iron, so not flat iron, hot comb, so they can be all the way flat down to, you know, so you can give out real hairline babies and shit. And always make sure your part is straight. You don't want to have a crooked straight part, because then people looking at you, they go looking at that middle head. So make sure it's always straight. It's better to use a little rat tail comb to get it right, but you can always go back and fix it until you get it, because you need an always straight part. I can't tell me this don't look like my real hair. Like, if the low ends had concealer or whatever, it would look just blended with my forehead. Like, yes, baby, yes, it looks like, you know, it's my real skin. For the lace, you can always get a big scissor, like a small one, to cut the lace up. But when you cut it out the, you know, out your head, always use a little eyebrows razor to get it like a cricket type of motion. You don't want it to be straight, because then it's gonna give out wiggy sis. You wearing a motherfucking old ass wig. So always use a eyebrow low razor to cut out the lace, so you can give out this zigzag look, not a straight bald head grandma look. Okay guys, with this part, it's called defining your part. You always want to use a concealer, or whatever you use for your lace, but this time use something that's not your color, that's brighter than you, for your middle, so you can define your part, so you can look cleaner and nicer. You should do it. It just make it look nicer. And then for the baby hair, I just took a little small part from the hair. You don't want to take it from the front of your hairline. You take it from the like on the side, almost by your ear, because then you want to like two on both sides, so you can look kind of like cleaner. And I just took my got to be glue and then my mousse to slick it down. Y'all gonna see. It's not gonna be perfect in the beginning, but y'all will see at the end how I get it to like look better. If you want your baby hair to stay and lay, always blow dry it after you use the mousse and the got to be glued, or whatever you method you use. Always always use the blow dryer, and then you can wrap it up and stuff like that. Because then if you don't do all that and then you wrap it up, by the time you take it out, it's gonna look a mess. Always make sure you make sure it's all the way dry. You could do all that afterwards and then fix it around and stuff.
Die before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath